right, we have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning triple black 1970 Pontiac Grand Prix J 400, numbers matching, 350 horse, factory air, brakes, steering, bucket seat, center console car. AC blows ice cold, been converted over to 134A. High speed blower has stopped working. The first 3 speeds blows ice cold. We'll look into it, no guarantees, but the AC does blow cold. Great car, real triple black bucket seat, center console, rallies. What's not to like? www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find 75 to 100 detailed pictures underneath pictures. If you'd like to fly in and check this out in person, Lambert International, St. Louis International, they're one and the same. Just forward us your flight itinerary. We'd be more than happy to pick you up, take you to any one of our 3 warehouses, take it for a drive, put up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. Just got it in, haven't detailed it, just wiped it down, trying to beat the rain. Small chip there, a couple small chips there on the edge. We have the correct color for this. It's black, but we had the correct color. Little chip there on the edge. These will all be touched up. I'm just talking minor little things, but they will be touched up. Great dash. Little imperfection right there on the roof. Little wrinkle there, but nothing. Said the Landau top's in good shape. Rear bumper's fantastic. Front bumper's in good shape as well. Love these push button handles. Great car. That 70 Grand Prix, real triple black, 400, 350 horse, numbers matching, brake, steering, air, bucket seat, center console. Just a great car. A lot of car for the money. Arguably the most desired color combination. Black, black, black top, triple black. Then if you'd like to pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. We got great financing available, great terms, great rates. Usually 10% down's the number, so you do not have to have all the money to drive these cars. It's a courtesy service, can assist you with transportation anywhere in the world. We've sold to 85 countries, every state, numerous times. So we have the experience to the logistics of transporting cars and assisting. numbers matching, 350 horse, turbo 400 transmission, brake steering, ice cold air converted over to 134A, bucket seat, center console car, and just checks all the boxes. Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri, 314-346-6039. Thanks for watching.